Now I will define the beam properties. In the beam property, I will simply define a beam section of 300 by 600 millimeter. So here I will select the beam material FC prime 28 megapascal, rebar material for 20 megapascal for longitudinal reinforcement, and for the shear or ties I will select also, but you can also define the 300 megapascal 300 megapascal grade steel for shear or ties. So here are different shape options, for example rectangular beam, L beam, T beam or general beam. For example, in the rectangular beam, here is a web width. For example, here is a web width at top and bottom, and what is the depth. So here is a rectangular beam. Here is I will click show properties. Software automatically calculating the cross section area, moment of inertia 2, moment of inertia 3, shear area. So what is 2 and 3? Here is a vertical. For example, in our manual calculation we use x-axis and y-axis. Here is a y-axis 2 and x-axis is 3. So moment of inertia about 2 and moment of inertia about 3. So here so that's how the software calculated the properties. So for example, if I want to define the T beam, so here the property is web width at top and bottom, that is a 300 millimeter. Depth of the whole section, that is a 600 millimeter. Flange width, for example at top, how much is the flange width of T beam. So here I am putting, for example 800. Here you can see now T beam is appearing here. So slab depth you can also adjust, for example that is a 150 millimeter. Okay, so that's how you can, for example, define the T beam. So you can also select the inverted beam here just by clicking here. Similarly, you can define the L beam or general beam. General beams any shape. So I have selected the beam that is a rectangular shape. So I will click here and just width is 300 millimeter at bottom and at top, and depth is 600 millimeter. These are the clear covers. Design property data, for example flange dimensions in the analysis, how much flange dimension should be used in the analysis. So software automatically calculates by these options. So here is the clear cover. So that's how we can define the beam properties in CSI CF software.